fourth video. Fuck it. It's been we talk about how to get background music for your YouTube videos. Right? You gotta go to YouTube Music Library. Then you can click on genre, whatever the hell. My shit is hip hop. Right? Like this one right here is fire. Motherfucking sad. I'm a sad mother. And I ain't gonna lie. Now I told y'all this shit is real. Like we gonna get into that. People try to put their best foot forward online, like their best foot forward, on their presence. But after that's how everybody slipped with my shit. Anyway, let's put up some happy shit. Hold on. Man. Forest. So, we gonna fuck with this right here. Alright, so you download it from here, and then you edit it, put it in the editor. That's background music, and that's it. Because some other sites, they might be fair use at one moment, and then the next moment, they want you to purchase that. So, after that point, hit, they going around striking people, and they shut down their platform. So we gotta get it from here. Alright, subscribe, peace.